Hi, how are you all doing? And special hi to Mangalore people. I have an announcement for you. March 4th and 5th, the coming weekend, Saturday and Sunday, Tots and Moms is going to be there attending an event called Women's Expo. Here, a lot of other brands are also coming, and we are participating in this event where Tots and Moms products will be displayed. You will get them at 15% discount this time. So come over and stock it up. With my data, I know there are a lot of customers in Mangalore, and I'll be eager to meet you all. Yes, I would be there both the days to meet you, to answer all your queries on what product suits your child, what product you can take if you want to increase your breast milk, if you want to get back to weight, get back to good shape. And yes, any questions regarding the product, I'll be more than happy. And if you were wondering, you have India's healthiest cookies, but they are so expensive. How do they even taste? Do come over, you can taste them for free. So all of this, along with lots of fun activities, because a lot of other brands are also going to be there, and I'm sure some fun and musty element will also be there. So do come over. And yes, TMA Pi Convention Center, MG Road, Mangalore, March 4th and 5th, morning 10 to 8. I will be there, the brand will be present, and I'll be excited to meet you. And just like that, to have a simple conversation, you can come over. See you.